Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this look. This year for Halloween, I'm going to be Sleeping Beauty because it's just really easy and I have my tiara over there. And also, let me know in the comments what you are being for Halloween and what your favorite Halloween candy is. I'm going to be talking to you guys about some personal stuff in this video just because I haven't had like a chit chat video with you guys in a super long time. I've missed you, and if you're new here, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up for me, and let's go. Actually, before I put on foundation, I'm going to contour my face with cream contour. I've been liking to do this step before I contour. It just literally makes my life so much easier. It makes my face look 10 times slimmer. So we're just going to contour our face. I'm going to lightly contour my nose, just lightly. My skin has been freaking awful lately due to just wearing masks all the time, but I don't even go out. So my skin is just really sensitive, but the good news is it's actually healing really well. So I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna do a skincare routine soon for you guys once the scarring has healed up a little bit, just because I'm not too happy with the condition of it right now. What are you guys going to dress up as for Halloween? This year I'm going as Sleeping Beauty just because I already have the outfit. I'm literally wearing lingerie out, but like, who cares? I really don't care. I'm wearing lingerie and putting on a tiara, calling myself a Sleeping Beauty and calling it a day because I'm not actually going to be going out to any parties. If you are going to a party, just a reminder, we are in a pandemic. Just be mindful of that. I feel like people forget, especially in LA, people kind of forget that we're still facing a global pandemic and we're the only country in the world that hasn't gotten our shit together. So just a little FYI. I'm going to be mixing these two concealers together. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in 22 and 11 because one is too light and one is too dark. So mixing it together gives it like an okay shade for me to use. The 22, I'm actually going to be putting it on all the areas I actually have blemishes on because it's pretty good for my actual skin color. So I don't know, I want to talk to you guys about this, but I'm not too sure how to talk about it because I'm still very confused about it. But I think I'm currently going through a breakup, but not the breakup you think I'm going through. It's not with like a significant other. I tweeted about this. If you follow me on Twitter, you should follow me on Twitter. I tweet a lot, so if you guys don't like to follow someone who doesn't tweet a lot, probably that's not me, but I tweet a lot. Anyways, I was tweeting about how I'm currently going through like a friendship breakup and I don't really know what to do. The issue with this is like, normally with friendship breakups, it's very easy in college. Like literally just hang out with different people. Don't hang out with that person. Like everyone's pretty genuinely very busy in college just because you go to class, you all have different schedules. It's pretty easy to avoid someone honestly in college. But when you're back at home and your friends are all home, like not all my friends are home, but the person you're avoiding is at home, it's just kind of awkward because it's like, it's not that easy to avoid someone. It's kind of like, oh, you're busy with what? We're in a pandemic, you know? So I don't know, I'm kind of going through a friendship breakup, and also like it's easier to kind of avoid someone when you are not that close to them. I don't want to talk too much detail in case my friend watches this video and then she's gonna be like, you talking about me? And I'm gonna be like, oh no, I don't like confrontation. Or like, not that I don't like confrontation, I don't like hurting people's feelings that I care about. So for powder, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus powder. We're going to just bake the under eyes as I work on my brows. So this person and I have been friends for I don't want to say quite a long time. That's such a lie. We have not been friends for that long, but we have known each other for quite a long time, like a very long time. And this person has been there with me in college to my highs and my lows, and it's just, I'm not sure, but I kind of just feel like, it's not that we've grown apart, but I feel like the older we have gotten, our beliefs are kind of different, and I feel like I'm getting treated a certain way that I don't necessarily feel like I deserve to be treated. And I talked to my little sister about this because my little sister is not, she's not close to this person. My sister isn't close to any of my friends, but my sister knows this person. Like I said, this person has been has known me for quite some time and has known my sister quite some time as well. And I was talking to my sister about it. I was like, I'm not sure like what I'm supposed to be doing. Like, is this the right thing to do? Like, I'm not sure if I should break up with this person. It's one of those things where you've been friends for so long and it's like really awkward to just like, am I supposed to like have like a formal breakup? Like, I don't want to ever have to text someone and be like, I don't want to be your friend anymore, stop talking to me, because I feel like that just makes the situation so much worse and actually will probably make the other person be very upset and cry. But at the same time, it's like, I don't want you in my life right now. Like, it's not because I think you're necessarily a bad person. I just kind of think our views and how you're treating me is kind of shitty. And my sister's like, well, have you told her that like you don't like the way she treats you sometimes? I was like, yeah, but she still does it. And my sister was like, oh, well, she didn't really say anything. I'm not really sure what to do. I'm kind of just venting to you guys because I think I just need advice. Like, if you were in my shoes, what would you want? Because I've definitely been in the other person's shoes before where it's like, I have gotten broken up with in a friendship and I don't know why I've gotten broken up with. And it makes me wonder. But at the same time, I feel like the difference with me handling this breakup and other people handling their friendship breakup with me is that I've told her multiple times to like stop, or I feel like we were really close and we were there for each other at one point in time, but I feel like right now, just with everything going on in our lives, I don't think we could be friends. But I'm not saying it's not like one of those things where it's like we can never be friends ever again, like I hate your guts type of thing. But right now, I think it might just be best if we just kind of do our own thing. Like, I'm kind of the type of person where I don't really need that many friends anymore. Like, in college, I felt like I was always the one who was constantly needing to make friends as a validation. And now I just don't care because I just don't. Like, if people don't, I feel like I'm a very giving person and I try to take care of people that I love a lot. But if it's not freaking reciprocated, if it's not like, you know, if you don't care about my feelings the same way I care about yours, I don't want to be around you right now. Like, I don't know. I definitely have been not crying, because I was not crying over this breakup because I chose it, but I definitely felt sad about it, but I just don't know what to do. Like, and I usually don't break up in friendships. Like, I don't break up with people in friendships. I'm the type of person where I will hold out for the longest time I possibly can, and then when I can't hold out any longer, it's kind of like it's over. Like, I can't, I'm so sorry. Like, I really tried, but I just don't want to be in this situation anymore. I think that's probably like one of my biggest cons, is that I'm the type of person where I will forgive and forgive and forgive, or just brush it off, and then one day when I can't handle it anymore, that's it. Like, that's it. And I feel like that's how I am in relationships as well. That's why I've been in so many toxic ones. It's just that I hold out. Like, I'll see the red flags, but I'll make up excuses, or like I'll hold out for literally as long as I freaking can. And then once I am no longer able to just like be nice and shut my mouth, I'll lash out, and then that'll be it. There's no like forgiveness. It's kind of just like, it's over. Definitely feel like my priorities since quarantine has definitely changed. Like, I value so much the time and effort my friends take to like talk about, like, not talk about me, to put in to like check up on me, or vice versa. And if you don't, then I just don't really care. Like, I just reciprocate the same energy now. I used to get so sad, like not getting invited to things, or like I would feel left out. Now it's kind of just, honestly, if I want to hang out with you, I'll make the plans. And if I feel like the energy is not there, then it's not there, and we can be friends another time. It's not that big of a deal. I feel like I've grown up a lot during quarantine, or honestly, I just have a I don't care anymore attitude since quarantine. Also, for brows today, just because I have to fill them in kind of darker than usual, I'm using the Anastasia brow pomade. This actually darkens your brows, which I really like. So yeah, I'm in the shade medium brown, in case you guys are wondering. I don't know. All I know is that friendship is a choice. Family might not be, but friendship is a choice, and you can choose who you want to be friends with. Like, I definitely have a core group of friends where we don't talk every single day, and we don't always get along, but we'll always be friends because we're just kind of there for each other. But this one is it's kind of different. It's kind of like my core friendship. At the end of the day, we don't ever really use each other, but this one I kind of feel a little burnt out and a little used, if I'm going to be quite honest. This might be a little bit weird to you guys, but I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray just because this look is very matte. I want it to look like skin-like, kind of, and I like the brows. I haven't had them this thin in so long, and I kind of like them. They'll grow out. It's not that big of a deal. I want to do like a smoky gray. I do a very simple natural eye most of the time. I feel like everyone kind of knows that about me on this channel. I do very simple eye looks, but today it's Halloween and I just want to try something different. So we're gonna use this gray shade in the Anastasia palette to kind of carve out my eyes. It's the shade Volatile. Also, you guys, if you've watched any of my breakup videos, you know I always say, like, boys always come crawling back. I don't know what it's about, but, like, they always do. And there's this guy I've had, like, a crush on for, like, a freaking year, decided to ask me out. And, guess which girl doesn't like him anymore? Me. And I'm just like, dude, are you kidding me? And, like, I've liked you for a year, and you finally decide to ask me out during quarantine, like, when I don't like you anymore. I'm gonna go with this matte black shade from the TATI palette, and I'm gonna put this into the outer corners. I'm gonna slowly build it up because I'm scared. Also, you guys, I think I want to talk to you guys about my dating life. So I currently downloaded Hinge again, and I realized you actually gotta talk to boys in order to get a boyfriend. And I realized after that, after talking to boys, I realized you actually have to go on dates with boys. And I just feel like I don't care. I thought I cared, and I do care, like I want a boyfriend. But can we skip all like the talking phase and like all that stuff? Like I don't like opening up to that many people. I use this brown glitter, the bronzy glitter. I'm gonna put this on my lid, and it's gonna give it like a little fun little oomph. Yeah. I also have powder underneath my eyes to catch any of the fallout. A new palette, you guys. I got this one. It's the Physicians Formula palette by Weylie Hoang. I watched her YouTube videos sometimes when I was younger, and I love supporting another Asian creator, and I just really love Physicians Formula bronzers, in case you guys didn't know. If you guys are watching this and you're from Physicians Formula, please send me a PR package because look at that. That's insane, right? So I got a new one. I'm gonna bronze my face. I learned from a makeup artist. It was, I think it might have been Nicki's, or it was either Nicki Minaj's or either Nicki's or Cardi B's makeup artist. I learned that when you do bronzer and contour, right? When I usually do it, at least, I will do it immediately and then do like bronzer immediately, and then I'll follow up with contour. I actually learned from them that that's not the best technique. It might be a little bit better to just do your bronzer first, let it kind of set, and then go in with your contour. For my blush today, I'm using Fleur Sauvage. Yeah, this one from Physicians Formula. I love blush, but I gotta do a certain angle to make my face sharper, which I like. And today I'm using a new lip gloss. This is the Maybelline lip gloss in Silk. I feel like everyone has talked about these like lifter glosses. Yeah, that looks really pretty. Got this cute little sleeping gown thing. Ow. This is pretty much my finished look. I'm gonna put on like a tiara, and then I think I'm gonna blow dry my hair a little bit, and that's all. Hope you guys enjoy this get ready with me. I love you guys. Let me know what you were being for Halloween. Subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up for me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.